wasn't too good to be true, but that was the real thing for me, the fact that we didn't need planning permission, because that can take forever.
Oh, can't it?
You know, and I know that's the reason why you do these. That's what I mean. And we didn't have that, we didn't want to wait around, did we?
Well, I know my sister-in-law, she had an extension built on her daughter's house, and it took her a year just to get planning permission.
Yeah, and that's a long time.
It's too long.
Yeah.
And, you know, thankfully, when Mum and Dad did sell, it was when the housing market was booming.
Yeah.
And they got the highest price they could for their house.
Yeah.
And, you know, if it had been now, it
Yeah.
would have probably been a different story. You know, so they sold very quickly. And literally, my dad had the stroke in September, and in the May, they were moved in here.
Yeah.
It's a situation like this, you just need the best solution.
Yeah. Well,
The quickest solution, which you guys
And you didn't visit any studios, you didn't visit our factory?
We tried to visit a studio, but it was during the COVID time.
Oh, okay.
So it was really difficult. So we just had to bite the bullet, really.
how long have you had the studio?
It's just been 18 months now. Yeah. So it's been up for 18 months.
Yes, but it's exactly the same set out as the one in our showroom. We've got the bedroom, the bookshelves,
Yeah,
the
it is,
table,
isn't it?
Really?
Yeah,
the kitchen,
yeah, the kitchen.
everything.
Is it really?
Everything is exactly the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes people have them different. We just been to one, didn't we? And that was totally different.
Yeah.
So, and they set it up different.
Yeah. But that was another pull for me, because I've got a daughter who's 21, but she's got learning difficulties.
Oh, okay.
So for her, this will be ideal, because she'll have her independence, but we'll be, you know, so that was another issue for us. And when family come now, like my sister came down last weekend, they stay in here, so it's, you know, and Mum comes and sleeps up there, and they've got this at night. They do their own cooking, make their own
They're
tea.
completely independent, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we do.
Have to chuck them out, get rid of them.
Yeah, literally. But I just love it. Everybody loves it, don't they, Mum?
Oh, good.
They do.
Everybody loves it.
Yeah, I mean, that's it is one of the things. We work hard at that. You know,
you
but
do
you
an
met the
amazing
guys.
job. You do, and your guys, I couldn't fault them.
No.
They worked so hard, and they literally worked till 9, 10 o'clock at night to get it done. You know, I couldn't fault them at all. They were really, really helpful and jolly and a pleasure to have around. You know, really good
No,
guys.
we work. You know, that's important to us.
Yeah,
it's not
it's
just
really
all right. You know, we're not just. We look after them, and they look after us.
That's what they said. They did say that. Yeah.
You know, we take care of their.
They make or break a company, don't
Oh,
they?
without doubt.
Yeah.
You know,
No, they were fantastic.
you can't do it on your own, so
No,
it's very important to
brilliant.
Yeah.
us, and they are.
The only issue we had, and that wasn't your guys' fault at all, is we had to have the patio taken up, obviously, for the groundworks,
Okay.
and we could not find anyone, could we, for months, to put that patio back.
In fact, we just did a video about that, didn't we?
Did you?
Because we do a temporary path that you
Right.
can run down the garden, and I was saying to Ian that this temporary path just allows you to, so you can roll it.
Right.
That's because it's hard. I'm a builder.
Yeah.
It's hard work, so that's, you know, just getting hold of a builder.
Yeah, that's the trouble we had, and then the job wasn't big enough, so no one wanted to do it.
Yeah.
You know, so that was up for about 3 months.
Did we do your drainage?
Yeah. Oh gosh, yeah. And you'll be doing it next time too.
Yeah. Well, did we have Tom at that time? Don't we?
I'm not sure we did. No,
There were a couple of, I think they were European guys.
that'd be Vinny.
Oh, it was Vinny.
They really worked hard.
I mean, they still work for us.
Younger guy and an older guy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Probably
they worked
Vinny
so
and
hard.
Mikhail, maybe.
Yeah, Vinny and Mikhail.
They were amazing. That was done in about 3 or 4 days, I think, the groundworks.
Yeah.
So just to clarify, then, you've been here 18 months,
Yeah.
but you're moving,
Yeah.
and this is going with you.
It is coming with us. Yeah. So
Yeah.
we had a few issues. Not because we at first what we wanted to do was put it in storage.
Yep.
And you guys were trying to help us with that.
Yeah.
But it was sort of becoming a bit of an issue really with the expense and where we were going to store it and everything. So I think it was your idea. I think it was. Did you phone me in or was it someone else?
It was me or Damien.
Yeah, it might have been Damien, and he said Alex has had a really good idea. See if you can leave it there, and ask the new owners. And I thought, okay, it's a good idea. So I actually got her number from the solicitor because I didn't want to go through solicitors to and fro. So I phoned her directly, and she was like, she's a conveyancer anyway.
All right.
So she just said, as long as everything's done legally, we'll get a letter. Yeah. So so we've got.
That's going to save you a lot of money and a lot of hassle.
Yeah,
though.
definitely. You know, and so that's what we're going to do. We're going to take it with us. And
Okay. So
Yeah.
we're all, Liverpool.
hopefully we won't be moving again.
So it's going to the Wirral.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's why-
My son's there, and we've got a granddaughter there as well.
Yeah, my niece.
Oh,
So we've got
okay.
family there
Oh,
as
okay.
well, which will help.
Yeah.
So,
so.
yeah, but the boys are coming up as well. They've moved out, but they're all coming up to the Wirral with us.
Are they?
Yeah, because they're renting rooms down here.
Oh, so expensive.
It's like
isn't it?
£700 a month for one room.
Yeah.
Not even that size.
Yeah.
And up in the Wirral, they can literally get their own place. They can get
Right.
a flat for £500 a month.
Yeah.
So they're all can't get rid of them. They're following me up there.
Don't really make sense, does it? The
No.
cost.
It's ridiculous.
You know, that's why these are
These
popular
are
in and around this
fantastic.
area.
Yeah, I mean, you
Yeah.
could rent this out for like £1,200 a month
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
You know, not that I would, but it's an option. You
Mhm.
know, so you have so many options with them.
Mm.
Yeah, but no, we love it, don't we?
Well, it's very, family love it as well, don't
Family
it?
love it.
Yeah.
And people that walk past always stopping me because it went up so quickly. They just went,
Oh no.
"Where did that come from?"
Did any of your neighbours comment on it?
Not badly, just very, very positive.
All right.
But they're great. The neighbours are all really, really great.
You've been here a long time.
I've been here nearly 20 years.
does help
and-
that.
Yeah, but no problems with neighbours, nothing.
Good.
Not at
Good.
all. Not at all.
No.
So,
So
yeah.
we'll do a walk up the garden.
Yeah, of course. And if you want to go outside as well and do it from the field, if you want to have a look from there. Yeah, I've got a side entrance if you want to have
That's
a look.
lovely. Thank you for that.
No problem.
It's good to hear the customers' side of events.
No, you will always get more. If I could give you more than 5 stars, I would. Literally.
Oh, that's lovely of you to say.
And this was really nice to have.
It's a lovely outlook, isn't it?
Yeah. We sold it the first day it went on the market.
Did you?
Yeah.
So you could have charged more.
Well, we got a lot more than we wanted.
Did you?
Yeah, we had a bit of a bidding war going on, so we were very fortunate. Yeah, and loads of people commented on this as well. Because I was hiding in there with Mum when they were coming. You could hear all the comments going, "Wow, look at that."
Yeah.
Yeah, but we just sort of, I didn't want to take the risk of trying to sell it with the property because I think it would have maybe a lot of people may not have been able to afford it, especially around this area. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's very expensive. London's expensive. Anyway.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And then we would have had the issue of trying to find a place big enough for Mum as well with an annex. So I just thought, take it.
Yeah.
Just take it. It's a much better idea, you know.